Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well. Welcome back to my channel with another very beautiful video. Guys, the creativity and uniqueness of the video lies today's ideas and concept base. That is, this video is absolutely in the continuation of my previous videos, into which I have been sharing very beautiful and creative design ideas of borderline embroidery or embroidery borders. So this video is also showing you borderline embroidery, border embroidery designs, but in a unique way. Previously, we have been discussing that how you can use borderline embroidery for bed sheets, cushion covers, pillow covers, DIY decor items, curtains, tablecloth, and different type of stylus patterns of your towel as well. But today's creativity is how you can use porcelain embroideries for making your dresses, for designing your necklines, for designing your frocks, for designing your kurtis, for designing your shirts, and many more creativities as well. As you are seeing onto your screens, all of these are very beautiful and pretty borderline embroideries. You can use borderline embroidery in a parallel fashion of two embroidery borderlines of same design to give full length shirt as an open style shirt. You can also embroider the two borderline embroidery patterns in a parallel fashion onto your jackets as well. You can design your sleeves borders, your necklines, your dupatta corners, your sari pallus, your shawls, strollers, scarf borders. The beauty and creativity and beautification is not limited to one thing only. You can design your Eastern as well as your Western dresses with the help of these very beautiful patterns of borderline embroidery. So I would recommend you to do watch the video till end so that you can get all the stylish and amazing ideas. The more creative and basic idea of borderline embroidery is to design your sleeves border, to design your abaya, to give your abaya, to give your jalebia, to give your long length gowns a more creative, beautiful, decent, and elegant touch at the same time. All I could do is I would recommend you to do try these patterns. The beauty and creativity does not lie in one thing only. You can also use these very beautiful patterns of hand embroidery equally for the art of machine embroidery as well. So if you are really liking the design ideas, and the patterns, I would recommend you to do try them. And which design you like the most or tried, share your experiences with us in the comment section. Guys, different type of stylized pattern ranging from sleeve embroidery to moving from different type of necklines like v-neck, like collar style, like band style, like long deep v-neck patterns that will beautify your blouses, your necklines, your yokes of your frocks, and many more creativities as per your own choices. Guys, I would recommend you to use Anchor or DMC for making these very beautiful patterns of embroidery as a thread. And different shades of Anchor and DMC are globally available in different geographical regions of the world. So I would recommend you to use them. And one more thing, guys, if you really like the design ideas of today's video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And whenever intend to reclaim someone else's work as our own, the basic purpose of making videos and sharing design ideas with you is to share creativity and beautiful designs with the ones who love the art of hand embroidery or who mostly are in search of lovable, beautiful, and creative designs of handwork, hand embroidery, and hand art. So all of these design patterns are absolutely for you. Stay tuned for the more and new upcoming videos on my channel. I already have shared thousands of designs of machine embroidery. I would recommend you to go there and keep exploring. Until then, I will be back with you with a very new and beautiful design ideas. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.